For Zamboanga, in command of this aircraft is Captain Elizari with First Staff Officer de la Cruz. And I'm Joni, your lead cabin crew on this flight. Flight time is approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes, and our estimated time of arrival in Zamboanga is at 6 o'clock in the morning. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please forget attention to cabin crew. We have Kim, Shane, and Clang will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt to fasten. Push ends together, tie the seatbelt by pulling loose end to and fasten. Lift up of buckle both ends to release. In case of a water landing, use your individual life vest found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. Sit on the vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and buttons to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to flight vests. Manual. Inflation tubes to fan on both sides. When the air pushes inward, to release the air, light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. To not take the vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of luggage in the aircraft is a serious offense. The cabin is pressurized. Should there have been rapid changes in the cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above you. When this happens, please leave the mask put towards you. Put it over nose and mouth and breathe normally. If you are traveling with a child, first put on your own mask and then the child's mask. Keep the mask on until you are advised to remove it. Please take note of the emergency exits marked along each side of the cabin and the exit nearest you. Further information, please refer to the safety instruction card found in the seat pocket in front of you. These aircraft are equipped with an escape mining system. In case of an emergency evacuation, light will illuminate leading to the exits.
Sunod sa patakaran ng Philippine Civil Aviation, ang inyong mga cabin crew ay mauuna bilang paghanda sa ating paglipad. Aming pong tutugunan ang inyong mga pangangailangan matapos matanggal ang fasten seatbelt sign. Ipinakita po namin sa inyo ang wastong paggamit ng seatbelt, life vest at oxygen mask. Ipinakikiusap po namin inyong basahin ang safety instruction card na nasa bulsa ng upuan sa inyong harapan at inyo pong pag-aralang mabuti ang mga labasan para sa sandaling kakailanganin natin ito. Sa loob ng ilang sandali, tayo ay lilipad na. Mangyari po lamang na ituwid ang inyong mga upuan, itlupin ang mga mesa, itaas ang mga tabing ng bintana at ikabit ang inyong seatbelt. Para sa inyong kaalaman, ang paninigarilyo ay ipinagbabawal sa kabuuan ng ating paglalakbay, maging sa loob ng palikuran. Sundin po lamang ang mga kautusan ukol sa kaligtasan para sa inyong kapakanan. In compliance with Philippine Civil Aviation regulations, the crew will dip their seats in preparation for takeoff. We will attend to your needs as soon as the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seats. Make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, window shades up, and your tray table stowed. Please be advised that this is a no-seating flight. Philippine Civil Aviation regulations require strict observance of the lighted passenger